I hugged my darling late father using AI. I was missing his hug for a long time, guys. Welcome to another AI video, and my name is Nancy. Today we are diving into VIDU. VIDU is a leading AI video generation model that creates high quality videos using text prompts, image references, and subject references. So let us try to see its latest model. If you don't know VIDU, it features higher resolution videos, offers sharper visuals, and enhanced subject detail stability for professional polished results. If you want a more dynamic, advanced video, of course, VIDU is your best AI that you have to choose. Alright, let us just dive into our video today.
In this video, we are going to concentrate on image to video, text to video, and AI sound effects. Alright, let's navigate there, features, and there we find reference to video, image to video, but let's begin with text to video. Alright, so here we are in the dialog box trying to type our prompt according to what we create. I wanted to create a child walking through the volcanoes and mountains. Also wanted cinematic style and vibrant visuals. Okay, let us check the settings. I'm keeping everything default. You can see auto 16.9. Click create. Decide to leave the watermark or to eliminate it, but that means you have to pay. You click download and then you have your video. I feel like the video is too dark. I'm going to create another prompt to create a video that is clearer, but anyway, let's step to the next, and that is image to video. Get to the main interface and try to navigate. On the left hand side you will see image to video. Click and that is the interface you have. Upload a photo of your own choice and then create. Okay, there you are. You can see it is now a video, so you can go ahead, click publish, confirm, and or download. You have your own video now. Let's get to sound effects. Click on the AI sound effects and then you have this dialog box. Type your prompt and then you'll get your own audio. Let's test what I created already. I'm going to put these sound effects on our video that we created, and let's get to test. And this is my best part, the templates. Okay, go to the templates and then select any template that you wish to use. I want to choose the hug because I have not hugged my father for the past 5 years since I lost him. I upload here the picture, and now we have to wait what VIDU has for us. Click create and then let's have the hug. I love you, my lovely dad. May your soul rest in peace. VIDU has various packages, as you can see, and you have the choice to make as a customer. Love you,
Thank
VIDU.
you so much for watching that video.
Don't forget to share and subscribe. My name is Nancy. Bye bye.